the third time with Matthias Sasbud. Natuloy. Balik pa rin Matthias.
Another.
Sinayawan at inaangasan, ganyan na lang kung bastusin itong ating Pinoy, na nagmula sa lahi ng mga matatapang si Mindanao. Matapos nakuha ng Pinoy na tubong Zamboanga ang 13 panalo, walang talo at may 10 knockouts, na si Jundi Maraon, na alaga ni Nonito Donaire Sr., binansagang pretty boy dahil sa lakas sa ibabaw ng ring, na tubong Molave sa Zamboanga del Sur. Si Maraon, mga tol, ay naging WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion nang pinasuko nito sa ikatlong round ang kapwa Pinoy na si Jason Higuera sa laban na naganap sa Cebu. Nakalipas lang ang 3 buwan, didepensahan na ng ating pambatong si Maraon ang hawak na titulo, ngunit hindi ito madali dahil makatapat nito ang pinakamalakas na boxer ng Africa. Ito ay ang binansagang piston mover dahil sa tibay at mabilis nitong galawan. Ito ay si Anthony Matthias na may 23 panalo, 1 talo at 11 knockout. Talagang buo ang tiwala nitong si Matthias na madali lang talunin ang ating Pinoy na si Maraon, kaya dumayo daw ito sa Pilipinas upang pabagsakin si Maraon sa harap ng mga Pinoy fans at babawian ng titulo. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinabagsak ni Maraon ng 4 na beses itong si Matthias at tinapos na sa ika-6 na round. Sa pagbukas ng laban, umatake na kaagad itong si Matthias na gusto nang tapusin ng maaga si Maraon habang nag-counter lang si Kabayan at pinag-aralan kung paano pasukin ang depensa ng kalaban.
Third round knockout over Jason Higuera. Sa mga hindi po nakapanood, kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, mas grabe po yung nangyari ron.
Natuloy. Look at that.
Mula sa palitan ng mga suntok, bagsak si Matthias, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
Fast. Hindi pa tapos si Jundi Maraon. Hindi pa tapos. Dennis. Principal. Isang straight ang binigay ni Jundi Maraon.
And that was the same punch that floored Jason Higuera. And now, Jundi Maraon.
Marami ng suntok ang tinanggap itong si Matthias, ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tibay.
Medyo natulos doon si Jundi Maraon. Now he's going for the kill. He knows that his opponent is in trouble.
But he should take it easy. He will never be confident against these Africans.
Bumabalik yung African, ha?
Yes.
Bumabalik si Matthias.
But that.
Right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity. Another left by Jundi Maraon.
That left is really powerful.
Oo. And Matthias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Matthias is in deep trouble.
Jundi Maraon going to the midsection. He gets stuck there by right.
Pero maganda yung ginagawa niya. Nag-iingat din siya, no? Hindi niya pino-force yung action.
Good left. A good right there by Matthias.
And Matthias missing a left, or rather a right, jab by Maraon.
Nagulat actually yung Afrikano to sa straight na binitawan ni Jundi Maraon. I think he has recovered.
We are under 1 minute of this 12-round encounter.
Good right there by Matthias.
Be a short night. Jundi Maraon. Pretty boy. Pretty much. Right by Matthias. And kung nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Matthias using a left jab. Ward off. And the rain and the round. Again, connects with the strong left combination, body shot. Everything being thrown now by Jundi Maraon. And the round clear black.
Sa ikalawang round, agresibo na itong si Matias upang makabawi mula sa pagbagsak, ngunit hirap niya pataman itong si Kabayan.
Kalaban actually. But you know, we have discovered something. Maraon could make the 115-pound weight limit.
Mas mababa pa.
Yes.
Waiting for the right moment. Exactly what he did in the first round when he scored that knockdown. And that's more of a slip. That's that.
But you know, we have discovered something. Maraon could make the 115-pound weight limit.
Mas mababa pa.
Yes.
Ay Maraon, and I could just kung bababa pa ito sa terrifying areas.
Good left to Maraon, staggers African, the Tanzanian once again.
That is a rushing palaban pa.
Mula sa kaliwa ni Maraon, bumagsak si Matias ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
Mula sa solidong kaliwa ni Maraon, bagsak ulit si Matias, ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
Time in this fight. Grabe yung left ni Maraon. Oo. Maski saan katamaan dyan. One more.
Be the end of it. Here again.
Good left again by Jundi Maraon, staggers African, the Tanzanian once again. But
Bumabalik pa rin. Kumakounter pa rin si Matias. There's another left.
Dennis, actually sa noo, mama, bumaksak pa rin yung...
Ano ba? This was how money pa.
Sa ikatlong round, naging mainit ang palitan ng suntok ng dalawang fighters, ngunit malinis ang mga pinapatama ni Maraon.
Power also sa kanan. He's now using his right hand. Especially those body shots. Could be the end of it. There again. There's the left of Jundi Maraon. And we're under 1 minute in the second. Kontra doon sa kaliwa ni yung kanyang footwork. Decent.
Left there by Jundi Maraon. Oh,
Umatake na si Matias na gustong makabawi, ngunit mapaatras ito. Pagmasalubong ang malakas na pinakawalan ni Kabayan.
I think it's all over.
This could be the end of the fight. Going for the kill. Jundi Maraon, body shot. Countless.
Marami na ang mga solidong naipatama ni Maraon, ngunit mapahanga ka rin sa tibay nitong Tanzanian boxer.
Hanging on. Good life. Combination by Maraon. Maraon sensing that this is the right moment for him. His best chance to score another stoppage. This is the same round that he stopped Jason Nogueira for this same title.
You know, I saw Matias smiling there, huh? As if saying, I can survive this.
There's that left again.
Mula na naman sa kaliwa ni Maraon, bagsak ulit si Matias, ngunit tumayo pa ito at talagang sinayawan pa ang ating pambato.
There's another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matias.
Dahil sa inis ni Maraon, talagang wala itong plano na tapusin ang laban sa desisyon.
And that's the third time that Matias has been floored.
Sa ikapat na round, gusto nang tapusin ni Maraon itong Tanzanian boxer. Ngunit ibang klase talaga ang tibay nito, pag tinamaan mas lalong tumatapang.
Jundi Maraon.
When it comes to skills, power, lahat na kanya. Pero minsan talaga kapag ka-fighters, that left straight of Jundi Maraon. That's not talaga left straight. Medyo lumambot na rin. Meron ng konting bending. And yung kanyang footwork. Decent. The Tanzanian.
Again. Ang tibay, Tibay gloves made in Cebu. This is the first time actually, the second time actually, that we're using this in a big boxing event. And we're doing this to support
Going for the kill, Jundi Maraon, body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Jundi Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Matias man in red, the undefeated fighter from Braveheart.
Mas lalong tumitindi ang aksyon kung saan nakitaan ng tibay ang dalawang boksingero.
To the body, it's, showing some patience. Alam na, masyado matibay itong Tanzania. Combination by Marao.
Sumabog na yung ilong ng Tanzania.
There's blood sa ilong ng nakaumang pa rin yung kaliwa ni Jundi Maraon. His favorite shot, that left straight. And he has floored Matthias to
Tuloy ang aksyon dito kung saan palaban talaga itong African boxer.
piece ni Matthias.
Oh, good right there. Matias. Hindi pa rin pwede mo kumpiyansa yung Maraon dito.
Bumabalik eh.
Red. Perfect score for Jundi Maraon. A knockdown in each round.
While Anthony Matthias is a fighter in black.
A good left, right straight there by
Matthias, before that, he connected the right straight. Marang
Sabog na yun. Sabog na yung ilong ng Matias.
the patience of Marang being tested here.
Sa ika-6 na round, hindi pwedeng magkumpiyansa si Maraon dahil tumatama ding ang suntok ng Tanzanian boxer.
Yes. That's from Jundi Maraon. Doon, isa na naman. Pinatama ni Jundi Maraon. Good control this fight. Combination by Jundi. There's that another left straight. Alam mo, mas improve yung timing ko ba ni
yes.
Maraon ngayon compared to his last 3 fights. Very active with his left jab. Kahit pa paano nakakalusot. Despite those 3 knockdowns, he scored each in the first, second, and third rounds.
Mula sa malakas na pinakawalan ng Pinoy, bagsak ulit ang Aprikano, nakatayo man ito, ngunit halatang nasaktan.
The rest of the rest.
Another knockdown.
Pero tayo wala. But this time,
I think he's hurt. I think he's hurt. There's no more dancing here. No more dancing. No more dancing for Anthony Matthias.
biglang tumayo si Matthias, ha? But again, that left of Jundi Maraon.
Dito na siya pinaulanan ng suntok ni Maraon hanggang sa inawat na nagrefereeya ang laban.
The house.
It's all over.
Panalo si Maraon sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout at nadepensahan ang titulo. Tungkol naman sa pinakita ng Pinoy, pag-usapan na lang natin yang sa baba at isama ninyo na rin ang inyong lugar para alam natin kung saan na umabot ang ating video.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.